So this Habitat for Humanity's mural wall is 8 feet long, 8 feet long and 5 foot wide. And I just finished putting this all natural stain on this wall. It's beautiful, just to give it a nice clean look. So the art class asked Artists Seeking Knowledge did this beautiful wall with me as the lead for 3D. So this is a three-dimensional mural. And Brandon, my boyfriend Brandon Thompson, he did this wood. Look at this knot right here. And he did the nails. And look how he kept the logo. And then we did the, of course, typography, the words. And he's really good at doing the stenciling. And we sprayed this. He did most of it. And I love going to the Habitat for Humanities before they even commissioned us to do this collaboration. And they picked some of it, and then we asked them to pick some of the stuff for us, and then I went in and got some. And the thing about it is that I do 3D installation art all the time, and it's just like I'm always going to Habitat for the stuff in the first place. This is a lens for light switch. You guys got to come into Habitat on White Lane in Bakersfield to check out this right here. It's a spaghetti strainer. How you make your own spaghetti things. And check out the things on this wall. The CEO wanted a industrial look. So here we have it. And this is a giving wall. And here's a... Anyway. Thanks for listening. It's fitting in our garage and took a long time to collect all the pieces. And I just wanted to give you guys a really good look at it firsthand with me and my little commentary. Go in and comment and tell me that you came to see it and let me know which pieces are your favorite pieces. Some of these things are really old. Ring the doorbell. Thanks, you guys, for taking the time to look at this wall. See you soon.